Hi, I'm Neil Milton. I want to talk about releases. What are they? Why do you use them? A release is a contract that more or less says, I won't sue you. And they are very, very common in estates and especially asked for by estate trustees from beneficiaries. So the estate trustee asks the beneficiary to sign a release, usually in the context of the estate trustee providing estate accounts. So here's the estate, here's your share. If you sign this release, I will pay you your share of the estate. That's usually how it works. The reason for that is so that the estate trustee can distribute all the assets of the estate to the various beneficiaries and be comfortable that they won't be sued later, that someone won't claim they did a bad job and that they should have received much more money. The downside, of course, is that people often feel strong-armed, that they're being coerced into signing these releases just to get their money. So as a beneficiary, it's really important to ensure that you get comfort with the accounts that have been provided. If you don't get accounts, it's pretty sketchy that you should be forced into signing a release. If you get accounts, you should look at them and try to get comfortable with the compensation claimed and all the various other expenses and assets on the estate. Look, this is a crude exercise. It's not an exercise in down to the penny often. It's about, is it good enough? If it's good enough, then generally speaking, you would sign off, get your money, and that would be done with it. But if you're not happy with it, then you shouldn't sign a release, and you should require the estate trustee to pass their accounts. The same is true for the estate trustee. If the beneficiaries won't or can't sign a release, for instance, they're under 18 or they're not capable intellectually of managing their own finances, you should pass your accounts. So don't sit around trying to force people to sign releases when they're not comfortable or not willing or not able to do it. Just go ahead with filing and passing your accounts. It's not nearly as complex a process as people often think. It's not nearly as expensive. And as a beneficiary, you should know you won't be charged with the cost of passing the accounts. That's an estate expense, should be borne by the estate as a whole. I hope that's helpful. If questions or concerns, send us an email. We'll get right back to you.